Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now by preparing essentials: a working Android device, stable Wi-Fi, and an email you control. Once ready, open Settings and choose Accounts, then add account and pick Google. Alternatively, visit the Google account sign-up flow. Enter your name and desired username, create a strong password, and provide the recovery email or phone. Make sure your device time is correct and be ready to receive an SMS code for immediate verification. Don't pause here, continue to verify. Once you've submitted basics, Google will require verification. Enter the SMS or email code as soon as it arrives. Next, supply required profile details like birth date and gender so age-restricted services are handled correctly, and read the privacy prompts before accepting. For security, enable two-step verification. Use an authenticator app or phone number because it prevents hijack. Finally, review account recovery options and sync settings so your contacts and Play purchases link. To finish, open the Play Store and sign in with your new Google account. The app will load your profile and preferences. If you plan to buy apps, add a payment method via menu right arrow payments and subscriptions. Otherwise, skip and install free apps to confirm the account works. Make sure Play Protect and App Sync are enabled. If something goes wrong, clear the Play Store cache, confirm system date/time, and retry SMS verification. If necessary, use a different network or temporary device to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.